So what is up guys, Zach here with another vlog. So andito tayo ngayon sa Bridgestone Alabang para ipakabit yung bagong exhaust natin. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano yung nakuha natin. So there you go guys, we finally have it. We got a Tomei Type A TTI titanium single catback exhaust. And grabe, pangarap ko lang to dati. And ang tagal kong pinag-ipunan to. And finally, we have it. So guys, tatanggalin muna ni Kuya J yung exhaust natin na HKS na fabricated. So previously kasi naka-orig tayo na exhaust na Kakimoto GT 1.0Z na bolt-on. Kaso inofferan ng tropa. So binigay natin in exchange for this plus add siya ng cash. So nabiti na tayo. So napabili tayo ng Tomei. So yeah, stay tuned guys.